So this amazing car had a misfire on cylinder number 2, and what I did was I checked the fault codes, cleared the fault codes, and removed the cylinder. I removed the spark plugs from cylinder number 2. I swapped them around. This is 1, 2, and 3, and I swapped all of them around, including the spark plugs. But then I noticed the amount of oil residue on top of the valve cover, and I realized that the bolts of the valve cover must be loose. So I checked them and they were loose. So I secured them, and then I've also secured the throttle body bolts. Found them also loose. But what I found especially strange, spark plug number 2 had a little bit of oil inside, and that made sense because the bolts were loose, and that's why it was leaking. So my point is, when you're working on a car on this level, don't overthink it. Don't do more than you need to do. If it has a misfire, do the most basic things. Swap out spark plugs, swap them around. Don't get new ones, swap them. See if the spark or the misfire follows you. Well, since I found that the valve covers was loose, the misfire is gone, and that's indicative of an air leak, and an air leak is the result of a misfire. So always focus on the most basic things in order to solve the problem. Once you've done all the basic stuff, then you can start moving over to towards more complex things, like replacing the coils and checking the fuel pressures and so on and so on. But before you get too carried away, focus on the easy stuff: the coils, the spark plugs, and air leaks. Really important, air leaks. All right, so that is my tip. Don't overthink it, just do the most basic things, and that's it. Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.